Like I told you that we are going to move on from last time we have listened to the story, right? Have we? Do you still remember the story?
Oh, yes,
Yeah.
teacher.
Okay. Where did they have to go to find out the answer?
Oh, uh, in the
At the
rescue center.
right, they have to find a message on the big flag at the animal rescue center, right? But they just think of the idea of not going there, but to get to read the message faster by using Ollie's binocular, right? And it's turned out that they get to save the owl, right? From this story, they were talking a lot about going to, right? They were talking about a lot about going to, right? Look at this one. Let's take out your activity book and turn to Unit 7, Lesson 4, going to, okay, going to. Page 66 in the activity book, page 66. All right. Can anyone tell me that going to is the indicator telling you about the present, past, or the future? Do you know? I believe you've done it, right? I think you know going to because this one's quite easy. So do you know this going to, what did it tell you? Present, past, or future?
Future. It's the future.
It is. Good job. It's telling you about the future, and it's also a very near future. Whoop. What's going on? How come I cannot write? Very near future. Okay. So the structure is subject, right? You know, subject plus verb to be plus going to and the pure form of verb, right? So the subjects are, here's the subject, right? Oops, sorry. Subject, I, right? She, they. See, for the negative form, the subjects are way in the front, right? However, question, they put the verb to be in front of it, right? This one is the short answer, right? And next one, they're talking about verb to be, right? Verb to be. I using with am, she using with is, they using with are. Negative form, you just put not behind the verb to be. Question form, you put the verb to be in front of the sentence. See? Short questions, short answer. Don't forget verb to be. Don't just say yes or no. Just say yes, I am. No, I'm not. Yes, she is. No, she isn't, etc. Okay. And the most important thing is going to, right? Just have to use going to, going to come after not. Every sentence, even question, you have to put going to. And then there comes this pure form of verb. The pure verb is in the green highlight. Have, watch, go, do, go. These are the pure form that has no S, no ES, no ING. You don't change in the form, just the pure verb. Understand? You get it? Okay. Down below is the listening exercise that I would like you to listen. This is Meg, and she's going to pack her bag to go somewhere. So listen to the conversation, look at the picture, and then number. Ready? Is everyone on page 66 in the activity book, right? Okay, I'm gonna play it twice.
Listening 2.46. Listen and number. Number 1.
What are you doing, Meg?
I'm going to pack my bag.
For the holiday?
Yes.
Shall I help you?
Yes, please. Number 2.
You've got lots of things.
Yes, I know.
A scarf and gloves. You don't need these. It's going to be hot.
Oh, yes. Silly me. Number 3.
Are you going to wear 10 t-shirts?
No. Number 4.
And what's this?
It's my tent.
We aren't going to sleep in a tent. We're going to sleep in a hotel.
Oh.
Okay, one more time.
Listening 2.46. Listen and number. Number 1.
What are you doing, Meg?
I'm going to pack my bag.
For the holiday?
Yes.
Shall I help you?
Yes, please.
สรุปแม่เขาไปแล้วน้องล่ะ
Number 2.
You've got
ได้ข่าว
lots
น้ำหนัก
of
เพิ่มมา
things.
ตั้งหลายโลแล้ว
I know.
A scarf and gloves. You don't need these. It's going to be hot.
Oh, yes. Silly me. Number 3.
Are you going to wear 10 t-shirts?
No. Number 4.
And what's this?
It's my tent.
We aren't going to sleep in a tent. We're going to sleep in a hotel.
Oh.
Okay, right. So number 1, they already did it for you, which is on picture D. Which picture is number 2?
Number 2 is picture A.
Yes. What about number 3?
Number 3 is picture B.
And the last one is picture C, right? She even pack a tent, right? Right, on the activity 2, they say make sentences. These are unscrambled words, so please make it into a sentence. Okay, go ahead. EQ, do your work. Do not draw on the screen, please. Need your work.
Blue, finish.
Who's finished? DJ? Yeah. The rest of you, what about you guys? Have you finished?
I'm not finished yet.
Okay, I'll give you 5 more minutes. Hurry up. I'd like you to do it first. You learn better when you make a mistake, remember? So I don't need a workbook that is all correct and neat and you learn nothing. I'd rather you have a lot of draws, a lot of notes, a little bit of messy, and you learn something from me.
Finish.
Okay. What is number 1?
Number 1 is I going
It's
going to be hot.
it's going to be hot. Okay, and then exclamation.
Teacher,
Eight.
Teacher A
Right.
8.
Number 2.
We
we
are
We going
to sleep
to
to
tent.
to
We are
sleep in a tent.
tent. Which picture?
Picture 4. Wait,
Teacher 4
you see.
Picture C.
Hmm?
Number 3.
I'm going to pack my bag.
Good. I'm going to pack my bag. And don't forget the full stop. Picture
Picture picture D.
D. Number 4.
Are you going to wear 10 t-shirts?
Are you going to wear 10 t-shirts? And that's
Picture 3. Picture B.
picture B. All right, let's move on to the next exercise, which is activity 4. Activity 4. This one, you need to write equations out of these words.
ทำให้ซูมหายไปได้
This one is the verb, right? The yellow box is the verb. And the green box is the term. So the most important things for me is you have to write, are you going to? Like this one, it says, are you going to watch television? Right? Cross this out. This evening, you cross this out.
เดี๋ยวเบคอนวอร์ด
So
มา
you can switch around. You can say, are you going to watch television next week? That's also correct. But I just want you to learn how to make equations out of these, the given words. All right, go ahead, try to do it yourself first.
กินข้าวดิข้าวเปล่านี่ของป่าแน่เลย
Bacon was the matter. Bacon was the matter.
How are we doing? Did you find it hard? These are an example.
We finish.
So what I need to look for from you is that you write, are you going to? Okay, are you going to? Make sure you write all of this. Make sure that the A at the beginning of the sentence is a big capital letter. And then the verb has to be pure verb. Do not add it in S, ES, ED, ING, whatsoever. And then what I underline, the word that I have underlined can switch it around. It's all make sense. Understand? Mhm. Can I move on to the next exercise?
Yes.
Right, okay. Next page, it is on page 67 in the activity book. Right here, lesson 4. I'd like you to take a look on the activity 6. Look and write the sentences. Okay. Here is the verb that you need to match it with the complement. Look at the picture, right? For example, number 1. Look at the picture. He's going to take a photo. Oops, sorry. He's going to take a photo, right? Look at the picture and then write according to the picture. If it's 2 of them, you're using subject of they, right? If it's a girl, using she. If it's a boy, using he, right? Go ahead.
We finish.
What about the rest of you? Have you finished? Have you all finished? No response. So I'm gonna go
Finish.
ahead. Okay. What is number 2? When you look at the
Number
picture,
2 is
what is number 2?
they we
They're going to do their homework. Make sure you write they following with are, they are going to do their homework. And don't forget full stop. What is number 3?
She are going to do a
ไป
sandwich.
ดูแซนด์วิช
She, what?
She
is.
is sorry.
She is. That's okay. She's going to make a sandwich. Okay, don't forget she using with is. Number 4.
They are going to
they are going to
swimming.
Right, they're going to go swimming.
swimming 5
Number 5.
he's
He
going
is
to
going to
ride a
ride a bike.
Yes, he's going to ride a bike. So how is it, everyone? Easy, right?
Very, very.
Going to is one of the most easy tense ever. There are very few rules to remember, so therefore I think it's really easy for you. So we have finally finished Unit 7, Lesson 4. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you an assignment tomorrow. So tomorrow there will be no Zoom class. There will
Why?
be no Zoom class, but you have to go to the Google Classroom and look for,
Why don't a class?
I'm just gonna let you do the exercise, okay? So
Okay.
you're going to look up for the going to Unit 7, but I haven't launched it yet. I'm gonna launch it on your hour, on your period. So you can go and do that during my class. Understand? And if you have
Yes,
any problems, I will inform it in the line group one more time tomorrow. But if you have any problems, as always, you can always contact.
No, I don't have a problem.
No, I mean, like, you know, like going to the link and you cannot get into the link, those sort of stuff. Let me check the responses. Let me check the setting first. Responses, right. Good. All right, so
Bye.
don't forget, tomorrow there is no Zoom class. I will let you do the
Okay.
exercise, okay? So do you have any questions? Because the
No, I
exercise
don't have
is all about going.
Question.
You don't have it? Okay. All right. Have a great and easy day, and please be careful out there. I'll see you on Monday, guys. All right. Bye.
good right
Goodbye, teacher.
Bye.